Hello, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I found this bag of these little charms and they're fabric. They are gorgeous and you get a bunch of them in one bag for a really affordable price because it makes a ton of earrings. And I needed some more quickly for a show coming up. And I know this isn't resin, but it's still an earring idea and I absolutely love how they turned out. So I got this bag and there's a ton of different ones in it. And then I found these. They're a dangle is what they are, but they have the clasp right on the earring. So look how easy that is. You put it on just like that. You open it up, you thread it through, and then you close it off and you have an earring. And it's so pretty. I love how dainty and girly it is. And there's so many different colors that it really does match whatever outfit you may have if you have all the colors. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to show you how to put them on a display card. So you just thread them right through and then you close the clasp, and it's really that easy. So if you need to make a bunch of earrings fast, this is a great way to do it if you need some more earrings for a show coming up. Say you had back-to-back shows and you sold more than you thought you would at one and you need some more. This is a great idea. Look how beautiful they are. And all of the fabric charms really came in great shape. This is what I did. This is my normal display card and I cut them off because if you don't, that clasp isn't gonna fit on there. Just like that. The red ones were really pretty too. I found those after I finished the others. And don't worry, that other piece that I cut off from the display card, I used that for something else, so it'll be fine. Look how pretty. I love them. I'm also going to give you, oh, there goes my dog. Hey, Copper. Shh. There's some other ways that you can do this too. I found these really cute. They're studs, but they have a little jump ring embedded on the end of it. So take a jump ring and then just add the stud right on there and close it up. If you use 2 pliers, it'd be much easier. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and even. And I love how these turned out too. They're really, really pretty. And they're just as easy. Just add a jump ring. How cute. I was able to make, I didn't time it completely, but I was able to make a ton of earrings really fast. Much quicker than what I usually get through. And now I have my stock back up so that I can use them for my upcoming show. I love the pink ones. And you know, I'll probably keep a pair for myself as well. I love how those turned out. And I also have another option. So I found these chains on Amazon as well. And you can get them in a pack. And it comes with this really, really tiny jump ring. And you can add that on there. And then it has a little jump ring on the edge attached to the chain. Just add that on. Then I thought this was a really pretty, another dainty option. It's just so pretty. And then to put them on your display card, look how pretty that is. And it was so easy because the charms were already made. So just put them in the display card. Now, here's what I need you guys. How would you keep that from falling on the display card? I thought about using tape, but then I thought it might look bad. And I thought maybe if I stapled down the back, but then you could see it in the front. So if you have any ideas for me, please let me know in the comments of how you would get that to stay with it without it looking bad. So this is what the pack is. It comes with this little jump ring bag, and then it comes with the little chains, and there's silver and there's gold. But I used gold for all of these because they had the top of it in gold, so it matched better. Look how pretty they all turned out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have a ton more jewelry and resin videos on my channel. Have a blessed day.